James was a young man who loved learning new things. He lived in a small city where many people wanted to speak English, but most of them felt afraid. James was different. He believed that English was not hard. He believed it only needed the right way. One morning, James was sitting in a small cafe with his laptop. He was working on his YouTube channel called Smart English Official. His goal was simple: help people speak English easily, without fear, and without memorizing difficult rules. While James was typing, a young woman entered the cafe. Her name was Lima. She looked a little nervous but kind. She ordered a coffee and sat at the table next to James. After a few minutes, Lima accidentally dropped her notebook on the floor. James quickly picked it up. "Here you go," James said with a friendly smile. "Thank you so much," Lima replied. James noticed something interesting. On the notebook, he saw written words like daily English, speak English, learn English fast. "You're learning English?" James asked politely. "Yes," Lima said, "but honestly, I feel stuck. I understand English, but I can't speak." James smiled. He had heard this sentence many times. "That's very normal," James said. "Most learners have the same problem." Lima looked surprised. "Really?" "Yes," James replied. "The problem is not your English. The problem is the way you learned it." They started talking, slowly and simply. James spoke in easy English, so Lima could understand every word. "I translate everything in my head," Lima said. "First in my language, then in English. It makes me slow." James nodded. "That is the biggest mistake," he said kindly. "If you want to speak English naturally, you must stop translating." "But how?" Lima asked. James closed his laptop and leaned forward. "Let me tell you a story," he said. "This story changed my life." James's journey. "When I started learning English," James began, "I was afraid too. I thought native speakers were very fast and very smart. I thought I could never speak like them." Lima listened carefully. "One day," James continued, "I decided to change one simple thing. I stopped studying English. I started living English." "What do you mean?" Lima asked. "I listened every day," James said. "Short videos, easy stories, simple conversations. Just 10 minutes a day." "Only 10 minutes?" Lima asked. "Yes," James smiled. "Consistency is more important than time." James explained that he talked to himself in English every day. "I looked in the mirror and said simple sentences," he said. "I am James. I am learning English. I am not afraid." Lima smiled. "That sounds easy." "It is easy," James said. "English is easy if you keep it simple." A new beginning for Lima. The next day, Lima decided to try James's method. She woke up and said, "Good morning. Today is a good day." At first, her voice was low. She felt shy, but she continued. She listened to a short English story while making breakfast. She did not write grammar rules. She did not memorize long words. She only listened. In the evening, Lima met James again at the cafe. "I spoke English today," Lima said excitedly. James laughed. "Of course you did." "But I made mistakes," Lima said. "That's perfect," James replied. "Mistakes mean you are learning." James explained something very important. "Children make thousands of mistakes," he said, "but they still learn to speak perfectly. That night, Lima slept with a smile, speaking without fear. After 1 week, Lima felt different. She was not perfect, but she was confident. She started thinking in English, simple thoughts. I am hungry. I like coffee. I want to learn more. One day, James invited Lima to help him with his YouTube channel. I want real learners, James said. I want people to see real progress. Lima felt nervous but happy. They recorded a simple video together. James said, "Hello everyone, welcome to Smart English Official." Lima said, "Hello, I am Lima, I am learning English." Her voice was not perfect, but it was real, and people loved it. Growth and success. The video got many views. Comments came from all over the world. Your English is simple and clear. I understand everything. This gives me confidence. Lima could not believe it. I am helping others, she said. Yes, James replied. When you learn, you teach. Every day, James and Lima recorded short stories, daily conversations, and easy English lessons. They used simple words. They spoke slowly. They smiled. Their channel grew, not because they were perfect, but because they were honest. A message for everyone. One day, Lima asked James a question. Can anyone really speak English? She asked. James looked into the camera and said, yes, anyone can speak English. You don't need talent. You don't need a strong accent. You only need practice and patience. Lima added, stop translating, start listening, start speaking. Together they said, English is not hard. You just need the right way. Today, James and Lima are still teaching, not as teachers, but as friends. They believe English is a bridge to confidence, a bridge to the world. And every day, someone new starts their journey with Smart English Official.